Yeah. I used to do that in the van, close doors that way.
1994 Dodge Viper. Uh-oh.
I've replaced the tires. The headlight switch melted. I replaced that. Or not the headlight switch, the harness. There's no airbags. There's no... This thing's junk. You have to push that down and reset it, and then push right there to get it to shut. You have to push it forward, and it unlatches, and then it lifts out. And then to put it back on, you slot it down into the door, and when you push down, it latches itself. And then you have to put that bolt back in. Otherwise, this just flops around.
What was the direction that you sort of go to lift it? It's lifted.
Wiggle up and...
You slide the window, like if the door is shut, you slide it towards the front of the car. You slide it forward and it unlatches, and then there's springs that push it up. When you go to install it, you push it down and it overcomes those springs. There's other springs that push it back into place. So it kind of latches itself. It did take a really long time to get used to doing that, because I know what it feels like now, but if you were to try to do it, you'd be like, I have no idea what's going on in there. Because there aren't guides that guide it down to where it's supposed to be. You just kind of have to feel for where it actually latches in place. There you go.
I think we should cut off the excess. Do you have a knife? You don't have a knife.
I might have one in there. I'll cut off the excess. Oh, that is a tough zip tie. That or garbage dikes. Wow, that's
Try going lengthwise. Pinch it. That's the way I cut it.
like this.
Yeah.
I didn't mean to insult your tools.
That's okay. I keep the good ones in the garage. Am I smart enough to have tape in my car? I don't think I am. So thank you to Flying Gatto. You gave me a sticker for your YouTube channel, but we need it right now to repair a Viper. So
we get the excess melted off and then...
Yeah. Okay, so that's keeping the Wawa plastic bag excess on top of the power steering pump. Dodge Caravan, yes.
Yeah, it's Caravan keys.
Dodge Caravan key.
They didn't have Viper keys until...
Okay. So it's going to be like a Jeep in that we have the windows cracked and the heater on. I wonder if it's going to be like an RX-7 where the majority of, like, where the transmission heats the car.
It's both. You have the transmission heating this side of you, and then the exhaust runs through the side skirt, so you have heat pouring in from down there. So you get warmed up from both sides, and then, I mean, 3 if you count the heater.
You sit sideways just a little bit.
Yeah, the pedals.
There's plenty of room for you. Nope.
The pedals are far to the left.
The clutch and brake are, my foot is covering both of them. Jesus Christ.
You get used to it.
I can't believe I'm doing this. You gotta be joking.
Oh, it's spinning the tires pretty good in first gear because it's cold out. So, just so you're aware.
Oh, that's better. I have to drive a Viper in my socks. I mean, I have 6E feet, so all right, they're fat, but Wow. All right, this is the car I saved all my credits for in Gran Turismo 1, and now we're going to drive it. I have a gigantic e-brake cable. Up, slam up, I'm in reverse, I hope.
It has a forward lockout for reverse. So there's nothing fancy to get into it.
Oh, wait, I thought these things didn't have power steering. I'm so happy that they do.
No, it definitely has power steering. You won't be able to turn 11
Oh wait, duh, that's what we fixed earlier. With a back. Oh, come on. I was afraid to give it revs. All right.
You don't have to give it revs at all. It actually pulls out easier if you just let the clutch out.
I hear vinyl moving all around me. It's prompting me already to upshift.
Well, it's telling you that because the skip shift is engaged. If you shift when that light is on,
yeah,
it forces you into 4th gear.
Okay.
So you want to wait until the light turns off.
Everything is moving in here. It's rattly.
The hood is shaking.
You can't really see the gauges. Your fingertips are kind of in the way. I think I'm in 2nd gear. Yeah, I'm still in 2nd gear. Still 2nd gear. Still nothing but 2nd gear.
2nd gear will take you to 80, 85.
Wow.
90 if you really. It will understeer a lot with it being this cold.
Okay. Oh, it turns in really freaking. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, big front tires.
11-inch front tires.
I was prepared for this car to be terrible, and so far it isn't. It isn't bad. You can step on it first. Jesus. At 90. Don't crash this thing, for Christ's sake, Brian. It's so freaking loud in here though, dude.
Corners are the part that you have to be worried about. That and 1st gear and corners are what's dangerous in this car. This 1st gear will let go.
It's hard to give commentary, man. This thing's a friggin' beast. My left ear kind of hurts. You really need earplugs. How you went across the country with these pipes?
3 times.
I can't see.
You're good.
All right. Wait, was that 2nd or? I think I'm in 3rd.
Yeah, I think so. But you can try right now. It won't spin right now. It'll just accelerate very quickly.
Oh, there's spun.
It spun the tires.
The urge to misbehave is very, very high in this.
It is extremely high. The first time you spin the car by accident, which I've done,
yeah,
and luckily not hit anything because I was doing it in a relatively safe place. It reminds you. It has a button. You have to push that down and then. Oh, it's back the whole way.
Oh.
It's not to this, it's to that.
Oh.
Little
Fancy.
Yeah. Dodge is great.
Well, thank you, Jarvis. Thank you for letting me drive this.
No problem.
Check that box, freaking Viper.